That is nice. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're back at our entrance extension. Not actually entrance, it's just an extension. And we're gonna work on the windproof of this one. And we still need some more frames added below the windows and top of the windows, and remove the foam we had last time. So this time we're just gonna do the bottom floor, because we have not finished the windows on the second floor yet to finish that. So that's gonna be in the next time. But let's get on with making it kind of watertight, kind of weather tight. So yeah, let's get started. Professional. So the framing is done, all the framing that we needed. So we did here, we did add some side braces, but the sideways movement we have absolutely none. And we have so much extra framing we have added, so many windows that we realistically don't need. I asked the structural engineer, he said we are fine with just what we added, it is good enough. And up top we're gonna add some more as well, and we added more screws. Of course upstairs we're gonna do the same. We're gonna all go through all the screws. Some I don't show, of course I add a lot. So everything's gonna be extremely tight. This thing feels like a tank, like not moving anywhere. And also the siding is gonna add a lot of strength. So that's gonna be an extreme strength for the building, is gonna be the siding. So yeah, let's move on now. Silicone these sides, whichever we did in foam, and add the wind barrier.
Honestly, the gap is so tiny.
Yeah, I know, it's not really a problem.
It's really difficult to even do. So I tried to clean it, but it kind of makes it worse. And everything is going to be covered like until here, I think, right?
Yeah, it's called, siding is going in front of it, so.
Yeah, so it's not going to be visible.
That is nice.
You see, practice makes everything.
We're gonna smudge all that, aren't we?
Yeah, we should have done that first so it can dry. Because now...
Good one.
Nice. I'll have a bit extra.
Then not enough.
Fail. Wait, but it's scary.
Oh shit, we have not even figured out how to do the top one. So much money on staples you spend now. I have no idea how we're gonna do this part. We're just gonna have to flow with it.
Just
Somehow.
gotta go with it.
Somehow we'll just have to do it. Look how low this window goes. the middle. So hot in there. It's honestly warm in there. It's probably gonna be a greenhouse, I think. Looking at this temperature, current temperature in there. Oh my god, this is gonna be very difficult. Was also the framing and the windows was all combining, so you couldn't really tell how big it's gonna be at the end. Because it was just all combining in your brain, you know? Once you put the ceiling, actually, it's pretty much sealed. Because it really does block all the windows.
So nice.
Enough light, no? I mean, now the upstairs is giving some, but I think overall it's still gonna be enough light.
I think so.
This is pretty much just giant isolation tape, I think.
You want to make it look real proper.
Yeah.
Very stretchy.
Yeah, it is. Feels pretty good stickiness. So we are done, as you can see. There's a bit of an echo in here, which is pretty surprising since it's just like a bit of a sheet, but I guess it creates enough to be a room, and it's a lot warmer in here already. Even though the top is still open and there's no insulation, it still creates this greenhouse effect in here where the sun comes in and bounces around and creates a lot of heat in here. And yeah, it's definitely nice and protected from the wind. There's not a single breeze coming in here. And the tape, we didn't do the rest of the windows and the door just because we're not sure how much in the weather it can stay. So if the rain and sun affects it badly, it's gonna get covered with siding, so it's not gonna be a problem. Siding's fully gonna push against it and gonna keep the tape in place. But if it unsticks till we get to that point, because we still need to do the upstairs to do the siding, because we want the siding to go fluid from top to bottom in most places. So we need the top windows installed and the top windproof on, and then we can do the siding. So we don't want to pre-do it in case it unsticks and we waste a whole roll. Especially this bottom tape. This top one is not as expensive, but this one is very expensive. So we don't want to waste it and then need to buy a new roll and redo all of it just because it unsticked, because we left it too long in the sun and rain. So yeah, it's not saying any rain, but you never know. It still might unstick. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. In the next video, we're probably going to do the windows and the wind barrier all together for the upstairs. Since you have seen us do both those jobs, but we still need to do it. And we want to show you, not just to skip it, of course, since it is repetitive. But still need to keep you updated on how it's going and how we're going slowly up and getting it done. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Actually, we're not doing the windows and the wind barrier. We're doing the ceiling.
We do the ceiling first.
And then the roof, floor.
And then the floor.
top.
Okay, so we have a few more jobs before we get there, but we still need to make the windows, yeah.
But that's why we don't want to risk it, because I don't know how long it's going to take us.
Yeah, we don't want to lose the tape. So yeah, okay, see you next time. Bye bye.
I love it in here. It's nice, windless.
Yeah, we can't escape though.
Okay, before we end this video, we're going to show you how we escape the room with closing the door. Since you were wondering how
one-way handle.
Yeah, it's a one-way handle, because it's like a veranda door.
It's a balcony door.
It's a balcony door, like a lot of you said. And since you were wondering how we got out last time, plus we don't want to open the door, because then it means it's open.
Yeah.
So close it out. And I guess the same way we're gonna open it to get in, right?
How are we gonna get out of the second floor?